We are on to our last lesson, lesson number 5, about Australia and Antarctica. We've already talked about South America, North America, Africa, Europe, and Asia. Now we're talking about our last two continents, Australia and Antarctica. Australia has 14 countries. So here's Australia, and all of these little countries are also a part of Australia. New Zealand, Tonga, the Solomon Islands, Guam, all of these are countries inside Australia. Antarctica has 0 countries. Australia is just one continent, and there are no countries inside of it. Australia is the 7th biggest continent. So let's remember, if there's 7 continents and Australia is the 7th biggest, that means it's also the smallest. Australia has the 6th most people with 38 million. So it does not have very many people. It has 38 million people in the whole continent. Antarctica is the 5th biggest continent, and Antarctica has the least people with 1,106. So Antarctica does not have very many people. It has a very small amount of people. In Australia, there are 1,259 languages. The two most common are English and French. So if you live in the Australian continent, a lot of people speak English, and a lot of people also speak French. The Great Barrier Reef is a beautiful place under the ocean around Australia. So a lot of people love to go deep sea diving and swimming to look at all the beautiful fish and the coral. This is called the Sydney Opera House. It's also in Australia. People go visit and they listen to music there. And Antarctica is mostly ice and snow, all surrounded by ocean, and it's fairly cold, which is why most people who live or visit don't stay very long. So Antarctica does not have a lot of people because it's so cold.